Hello and welcome to sciencehub. Have you ever wondered what's happening beneath the soil, or how a tiny seed can grow into a big, beautiful plant? Today we're going to watch a magical journey unfold, right before your eyes. This is our seed, a small package of life, waiting for the right conditions. With just a little bit of water and sunlight, the first signs of life begin to appear. On day 3, the first root pushes its way out, a silent explorer seeking nutrients and water. This is the anchor that will hold the plant steady and feed it as it grows. After about a week, something incredible happens. The first sprout breaks through the surface, reaching for the sunlight. This is a moment of pure triumph for our little plant. Once the sprout is out, the growth speeds up. The first leaves unfurl, providing energy for the next stage of growth. They're like a temporary food source, giving the plant the boost it needs to grow stronger. With each passing day, the plant becomes stronger. New leaves form, capturing more sunlight to create food through a process called photosynthesis. It's like the plant is making its own energy from the sun. From a tiny seed to a full-grown plant, this incredible transformation is a reminder of the power and resilience of nature. It all starts with a single humble seed.